So I was there filming with him for 2 weeks, and I bought him goats. I can't remember if it was 4 or 6 goats. When I came back a year later, he had a wife. And I said, how did you get the wife? And it was what you said. He said, I bought him the goats and the wife showed up. I was like, holy shit. I mean, that wasn't even my intention.
This is it. This is the dowry. This is how it's done. You know, one way or another, you know, you're going to work for it. You're going to earn it. You know, I don't know if he really built that status on his own. It seems like you helped him out with it.
Right, right.
But everybody can, you know, take a helping hand. He better transform and become that person that would have built that status on his own. You know,
Yeah.
But yeah, that's an incredible thing. This still happens. You know, and when he told me that, I was like, oh shit, like.
Did you hook him up with a cow?
What I said is, I go, how the fuck you gonna go get some cows? How you gonna go get your 5 or 7 cows? And he said some excuses, some bullshit, you know. And I said, what you need to do is you need to go fucking kick someone's ass and go take their fucking cows, because this is also the way that it's been in the past, right? The easiest thing to get something that you want is you go to the neighboring tribe and you impose your force of will and you take that shit. And he just thought it was hilarious, you know. He's really laughing, you know, mucking it up. And I'm like, at some point you got to do something. You know, you can't just wait for your dad to give you 7 cows. What if your dad never gives you 7 cows? You got to start figuring out, how are you going to go get those cows? So no, I'm not about to give this guy 7 cows, you know, again, because at the end of the day, you know, it sort of says the worth and value and the status that you have as a man. I get go give this guy 7 cows, and now they're done with those cows. Now the wife is thinking, who the fuck is this guy that I thought was worthy of possessing 7 cows? Yeah, so this is not something that I would contribute. I think it's great that you did this, Sevan, and you helped this guy get married. This is not a limitation.